Day everyone, you're tuned in to DILG CDS Ganap sa Field. Back again to bring you closer to the heart of public service. I'm Richard Labadia, MLGOO, and today we're sharing real stories, real actions, and real impact straight from the field.
The DILG Zamboanga del Sur PDMU engineers provided a technical assistance on LGU Pagadian City on Subaybayani, Line 20, and RSSA systems for LGSF Falgo 2026 on March 16, 2026. On March 19, 2026, the DILG Zamboanga del Sur successfully conducted the third mobile provincial conference cum LGU interfacing at RM2 Barangay Ambolon, Vincenzo Sagon, Zamboanga del Sur. On March 14, 2026, the DILG Labangan Field Office conducted first semester Barangay Assembly at Barangay Lower Pulacan. Municipal Nutrition Committee first quarterly meeting successfully held on March 16, 2026, advancing coordinated efforts to improve community nutrition and combat malnutrition in LGU Ramon Magsaysay. The LGU of Ramon Magsaysay together with MLGO Catherine Herrera Atay successfully conducted its first quarter Liga meeting on March 17, 2026. The LGO of Ramon Magsaysay successfully conducted the God Focal Point System on March 17, 2026. The LGO of Ramon Magsaysay held an orientation on PNP-KI digital signature on March 18, 2026, advancing secure digital services with DICT and LGU support. On March 18, 2026, the Barangay Secretaries Association of Dinas held its monthly meeting where the DILG Dinas Field Office presented latest SDLGB, BADAC, and BPOC assessment issuances and updates on MOV submissions.
And that's a glimpse of how Ganap sa Field showcases public service at its finest. Daghang salamat for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next episode where we always surpass the limit.